3,000 words, lesson 2, conversation. You have learned all the grammar and all the vocabulary, and we can have conversation together. Every time I ask you a question, click on the spacebar and give me a long answer. Thank you for that. So let's get started. Where is the nearest underground station from you? Have you been to any castle this year? Do you often complain? Can you name 3 popular authors? What project are you working on now? What is your favorite wine? Are you always in a good mood? What does a lawyer do? Where is the hottest spot on Earth? Are you feeling well right now? And now you create questions from following words. Skill, head, install, victory, intersection. Now take a pencil or pen and write the dictation. Melting permafrost can not only lead to the release of methane, it also threatens to wake up old viruses and bacteria potentially capable of infecting humans. And now go to englishwitheva.com, open the instructions and do the listening. See you soon!